In today's video, I will walk you through how to draw in MetaTrader 5. To begin, make sure MetaTrader 5 is open and that you have a chart loaded for the symbol you want to work with. Once your chart is visible, look toward the top of the platform where you'll find the main toolbar. This toolbar contains several icons, including the drawing tools you'll be using. Take a moment to look through the toolbar until you find the drawing tools. Depending on your layout, you'll usually see options for trend lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines, and other drawing tools such as channels or arrows. These are the tools you'll use to place drawings directly onto your chart. When you're ready to start, move your mouse to the toolbar and click on the drawing tool you want to use. For example, if you want to mark a trend, click the trend line tool. If you want to mark a fixed price level, click the horizontal line tool. The important part is selecting the drawing tool before interacting with the chart. After you've selected the tool, move your cursor over the chart area. You'll notice that the cursor changes slightly, indicating that the drawing tool is active and ready to use. Now click on the chart at the point where you want your drawing to begin. Keep the mouse button held down and drag your cursor across the chart. As you drag, you'll see the drawing extend and adjust to match the movement of your mouse. Continue dragging until you reach the point where you want the drawing to end. Once you're satisfied with its position, release the mouse button. Your drawing will remain on the chart exactly where you placed it. If the drawing isn't positioned quite the way you want, you can adjust it. Click directly on the drawing to select it. Once it's selected, drag the endpoints or move the entire object until it's positioned where you want it. This is useful when you want to fine-tune the angle of a trend line, or line it up more accurately with recent highs or lows. You can repeat the same process with any of the available drawing tools. Simply return to the toolbar, choose another tool, then click and drag on the chart to create another drawing. Spend a little time practicing with the different drawing tools. By selecting a tool first and then clicking and dragging on the chart, you'll quickly become comfortable adding clear and accurate drawings to your MetaTrader 5 charts. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you for watching.